full-time employees, faster, cheaper, and without breaks. And in 2026, this isn't the future, it's already happening. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 real jobs that AI tools can already replace, with live examples on screen. This video is not about fear or clickbait. I'm not here to scare you. I want you to understand what AI can already do so you can use it to your advantage instead of being surprised by it. Let's start. The first job is content writers, blog writers, script writers, email copywriters, anyone whose main job is writing. Before AI, this type of work could take hours or even days depending on the research involved. Now watch this. I'll give the AI one simple prompt, something a real client would ask for. In seconds, it creates a well-structured article with headings, clear explanations, and logical flow. This doesn't mean writers are useless, but it does mean one person using AI can now do the work of several writers. The second job is video editors, especially short-form editors. If you're making YouTube Shorts, TikToks, or Instagram Reels, you already know how repetitive this work can be. Cutting silences, adding captions, highlighting key moments. AI tools can now do all of this automatically. This isn't replacing high-end cinematic editors, but for everyday content, this is more than enough. That's why many creators now rely on AI instead of hiring editors. Job number 3 is customer support agents. Many support agents spend their entire day answering the same questions over and over again. Where is my order? How do I get a refund? How long does delivery take? AI chatbots can now answer these questions instantly at any time of the day. They don't sleep, they don't get tired, and they don't make customers wait. That's why companies are replacing first-level support with AI. This next one is controversial. Senior programmers. AI will not replace senior developers or software engineers, but entry-level coding tasks, debugging, simple websites, AI can already do this. Here, I asked the AI to build a simple landing page. It writes the code, explains it, and even fixes errors if something breaks. This means developers who don't use AI will fall behind very quickly. This is the kind of task junior developers get every day. Building simple landing pages, setting up layouts, and turning basic ideas into working code. Before AI, this meant writing everything from scratch, the HTML structure, the CSS styling, and then fixing bugs when things didn't look right. Now, the AI handles all of that. It writes clean, readable code, structures the page properly, and even explains what each section does. If something breaks or doesn't look right, you can just tell the AI, and it fixes it instantly. This doesn't replace senior developers who design systems or make big technical decisions. But for repetitive, entry-level coding tasks like this, AI can already do the work, faster and with fewer mistakes. That's why junior developers who don't use AI are at risk, while those who use it become far more productive. The fifth job is virtual assistants. Virtual assistants usually handle things like emails, scheduling, reminders, and basic research. A lot of this work is repetitive, reading emails, summarizing information, and organizing tasks. Now, AI agents can already do all of this in one place. Instead of opening multiple apps, you give the AI one instruction, and it handles everything. It can summarize unread emails, suggest replies, organize your tasks, and even help plan your day. This doesn't mean human assistants are useless, but for individuals, creators, and small businesses, AI can now handle most of the routine assistant work. That means one person using AI can do what used to require a full-time virtual assistant. So there you have it. 5 real jobs that AI can already do in 2026. From content writing and video editing to customer support, junior programming, and virtual assistants, AI is not the future, it's already here. The important thing to remember is this: AI doesn't replace people. People who learn to use AI effectively will always stay ahead of those who don't. If you want to stay ahead in this rapidly changing world, start experimenting with these tools today. And now I want to hear from you. Which of these AI tools surprised you the most? Comment below and let's discuss. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Enoch's Check Hub and hit the notification bell. That way, you'll be the first to see my future AI tutorials, demos, and updates.